Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will showing you how to do the green smoky eye makeup using a professional products. In the last video, we have showed you how to get a blue smoky eye makeup look. If you have not watched that video, you will find the link for the same in the top right corner. So first thing we are gonna do cleansing, toning, moisturizing. As we like to term it, C.T.M is initially an important part of the makeup process because it helps get to rid of dirt and nourishes the skin. Now we are using a primer to create a smooth base that helps to keep your other product in the place all the day. Primer can also reduce the amount of makeup you use and make application a little easier, so make sure you apply it properly. Moving on the next step. Your concealer is the first step in your makeup application and will go on black canvas. Apply the concealer under your eyes using the concealer brush. Spread it all over your face to cover the dark spots. It's all up to you. With lighter concealer, you want to place in the area where you will want to bring forward or to simply conceal. Once you have finished applying your concealer, the next step is the foundation. You can choose your foundation in between liquid, cream, tint or anything. Foundation to create a smooth skin tone and blank canvas for the rest of your makeup. Covering your face with the concealer and foundation completely smooth out your complexion but removes your any natural shadows or bronzer area that your skin has. Now we will smudge the color on the eyelid so that it creates the smoky effect. And we are repeating the same on the other eye using the same shade. Now this part is important. Creating a depth and softness on the eyelid using a black shade. This will give us the blended smoky look. So make sure you do it properly. Now to get the complete look, we'll create the same shade on the lower lash line using the same color pattern. To add a bit of spark, we will highlight the inner corner of both eyes using green highlighter. Now that we have done with the eye makeup, we will apply blush on the cheekbone to get a aesthetic look. And now highlighting the collarbone because we want every visible part of the face to look even. Applying some highlighter on the high point of the face. brow bone. And to finish with, we will apply mascara on the lashes, and that's it. That's the final look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what do you think about today's video in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. These are the little gesture of yours further push us and motivate us to come up with the more such a content.